Are you curious why you can't make sales and you just started in affiliate marketing and you don't know what you're doing wrong? Well, I'm going to go over exactly why you're probably not making sales. So if you want to hear more about this, then stay with me throughout this video to see why. What's up guys, Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about why you're not getting sales as a beginner in affiliate marketing. So this is going to be targeted for affiliate marketing beginners, and it's going to be talking about why you're probably not getting sales as you first start out and what you need to know so you can start getting them sales. But before we get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that will pay you while you're on vacation, pay you full-time income, this is the program that I use. Just go down to the link in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you over some information. Now, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell so you do get notified when I drop these videos. And also, if you do feel like you got some value out of today's video, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you do have any particular questions about today's content, post them down below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. All right guys, so let's get on with today's video on why you may not be making sales as an affiliate marketing beginner. Okay, so let's just jump right into this PowerPoint I created here, and I'm going to talk on these points here. Okay, so why you're not getting sales yet. Okay, so common questions I get: hey Zeb, I'm not getting sales. I've been doing this for 3 days. I've been driving traffic. I haven't got no sales. I got tons of leads. What's going on? What can I do different? The first thing I always ask is, are you going through the training? Because what people tend to do, look, I'm guilty of this exact same thing, is you'll get signed up in a training, you'll go through the first couple parts, you'll just think oh, I got this, and you won't go all in to the training, or you won't take action on things that you're learning on the training because you think that you don't need to do that. All right. So very first thing I say is, are you going through your training? Are you speaking to your coach? Are you doing these things? Because if you're not, that's the first thing that's wrong, okay? Is you're not going through your training, you're not taking action on the things that you're learning about, okay? Second thing I say is, do you understand how marketing works? Because if you do not understand how marketing works, that's why you need to go through your training, okay? Because marketing works like this, okay? I have an offer, okay? I have an opt-in page and I'm getting traffic to go to my opt-in page. They go to my opt-in page, they opt in, okay? I send them an email. They have no idea who the fuck Zeb is, okay? They need to know who Zeb is. They need to build rapport, trust. They need to build that relationship. I need to build that relationship with my audience, okay? They're not going to just buy from me because I sent them to this there's thousands of people sending them the same offer. They got to know who I am. They got to trust me. They got to know my story. Okay. So how that works is you send in emails. Okay. So if you don't have an email campaign, and I'm going to show you all this stuff right after this PowerPoint. If you don't have like an email campaign set up, then that's something that you want to do. Okay. You want to start sending emails. People don't usually buy from you the first time. It takes up to 12, on average, 12 times before they actually purchase from you. Okay, so they got to come across you 12 times before they actually purchase. This could be over 90-day period. Okay guys, so you got to build that relationship. You got to send emails. You got to provide value. You can't just sell. Okay, you got to provide value. You got to give them free stuff. You got to give them tips. You got to give them videos. You got to teach. Okay, learn, do, teach, learn, do, teach. That's the biggest thing. Okay, you need to focus on nurturing your audience. Okay, build your relationship. All right, take them from where they are today to where they need to be in the future. Okay, help them do that, and they will buy from you because they'll start building trust. Okay. They'll be like, this Zeb dude's pretty cool. I mean, he's helped me do so much. And then when I do throw an offer out to them, they trust me and they'll purchase. Okay. I struggled with this at first too, because I would just buy tons and tons of traffic, send them to opt-in and be like, shit, I only got a couple leads out. I got a bunch of leads, but nobody's buying from me. I didn't understand this myself until I got a mentor and they told me what I was doing wrong. Okay. Now, this is very important stuff, guys. So I hope you're not ignoring me, and give me a thumbs up if you feel like this is of some value. Okay. Most of the time, they may not even want your offer. Okay. They just clicked on it because they were curious to see what was on the next page. So a lot of people just click on it. Oh, I already seen that offer. They've already seen the offer, so they don't even want the fucking offer. Okay. So what do you do when they don't want your offer? You continue building the relationship. This is why you need to build that relationship, so you can offer them something else. Okay. Like, I'm talking to you guys right now, and if I was offering you something right now, you all be like, well, I already seen that offer, but maybe 2-3 months from now, I offer something else and say, oh shit, that's a pretty cool offer. I've seen it, but I haven't purchased it yet. And I've been looking at it, and I trust Zeb. I'm going to buy it from him. Okay. Because he provides me a lot of value. Okay. So that's the kind of stuff you want to do with your audience. And you can do that with email, with your blog, video, social media, etc., or all of them. Okay. But you need to focus on one, get it out there, and just do it. Okay. Look, they don't trust you enough to buy your offer yet. Okay. So you need to build that trust. All right. You don't have any authority. They need to know that who you are and why you're doing what you're doing, and that you're kind of an expert in what you're doing. Okay. So the system works. You just have to build trust. Every system works. Okay, guys. If you signed up with a program and it's not working, it's not the system. It's you. You're doing something wrong. You're not having patience. Okay. You need to tell your story. You need to be honest with your audience. You can't just lie, because people can call bullshit quicker than anything else in this world today. All right. Be vulnerable. Let them know about your struggles. Be transparent to your audience. Let them know who you are so they can build that trust with you. And later you can offer them things. Okay. Learn, do, teach. That's the rule I teach everybody that asks me questions. I'm always like, look, go to your course, learn the littlest thing, whether it's building an opt-in page. Oh, wow, I just built an opt-in page. I know how to do that. Let me teach that. You know what? I did get 20 leads yesterday. There might be somebody out there that can't even get leads yet. Teach them how you got the leads. Don't just focus on, damn, I didn't get no sales, I quit. Because you're getting leads, okay? There's people out there that haven't even got a lead yet. Once you get that one sale, teach how you got that one sale, because there's people out there that haven't made their first sale yet. They need to learn that method of getting that first sale, okay? So there's always somebody that needs to learn what you just learned. So just teach it, all right? Give that value back to your audience. All right. And once you start doing that, people start seeing you as an expert because you know more than they do. Okay. That's the way this all works. Okay. Way marketing works. You gotta be patient. You gotta give value, and then you will get sales. It may take 3 months, 6 months from now, but guys, I have people on my list that have been there for 2 years before they buy anything. Okay. Build your list, keep building, and keep building that relationship with your list, okay? Or your audience, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to talk about a couple courses. I'm going to talk about autoresponder, and I'm going to talk about opt-in page, okay? First things first is I use Legendary Marketer as my course, as my main, learning tool, my main mentorship, my main event, network building platform. This is where I go. Okay. So when people come in here and they're like, I cannot get nobody to come in here and get a sale. Well, it's not the system, because people are getting sales every single day with this system. It's you, all right? So you may be new and you don't have any authority in the game, so you got to build that authority. It's patience. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's a 2 to 3 year plan, okay? So what you got to do is you got to come here. First thing I say is, have you talked to your coach yet? And they'll be like, nope. Did you go through all the core 15 steps? No, I haven't did that yet. I only went to 3. Well, until you do all them things, don't even wonder why you're not making sales, because that's why you're not making that sale, okay? You got everything you need right in here to learn how to do what you need to do to make that sale. You just got to take the steps and trust the process, all right? You can't be scared to talk to your coach, because your coach is there till you can learn from them, okay? Look, for $30 a month, you got everything you need to build a business. You can get into the high ticket pieces of this business, because this is a high ticket affiliate program, and learn how to do that. But at the $30 level, it teaches you everything you need to do to become an affiliate digital internet marketer. All right. Just follow the process, follow the steps. And guys, if you are you interested in Legendary Marketer, just click that link in the top of my description. My #1 make money online method. And that's where it's going to take you, is Legendary Marketer. It's a great program. Run over there and get signed up. It's $30 a month. What can it hurt? Okay. Next thing you want to do, sorry about that, I was winded there. Next thing you want to do is you want to get an autoresponder. Okay, guys, this can be, I have many responders here. Okay, so I have email campaigns set up. Okay, so these campaigns are anywhere from 1 to 7 emails. So when somebody comes into my opt-in page, I'll send them an email. Okay, hey, it's me, blah blah blah. Whitelist my emails. Here's my free book. And I give them something to look at, okay? Something to do, all right? So you have to do that. You have to build lists, email campaigns to send to your people, so you can start building rapport. You send out newsletters every other day or every day, okay? You have to have an opt-in page. This opt-in page was built with Builderall. So Builderall can also do your email campaigns. I use GetResponse. I use a little bit of Builderall's Mailing Boss, but I already had GetResponse in place, and I didn't want to move everybody back and forth. So I use GetResponse as my autoresponder. I like them. If you'd be interested in those, just go down to the tool section, click on GetResponse. You can sign up for a free trial. Builderall is where I build out all my sales pages, website, everything right here. All right. So this landing page was built with Builderall. It's a simple landing page, right? Earn $100 a day starting today. They click on this, it takes them to an offer. They're not going to probably buy from that offer right away. I might send 200 people to it before somebody buys. But what happens is they go to my email list and I send them emails. And that email may eventually send them to a YouTube video where they see me and they're like, you know what? I like Zeb. I'm actually going to go get that. All right. So that's what happens. That's the beauty of online internet marketing. You just got to build that audience, and it takes a long time, especially if you don't have no money for a budget. Okay. So guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I just want to get back to the day. It's Christmas Eve. Enjoy yourself. Peace out. And again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about passive income, click the link down in the description. My #1 recommended make money online method. Click that link, join up, and start becoming an online marketer. All right. Peace out, guys. I'll see you again on the next video.